Hey guys, we're here today at the Braille house with this. Look at how cool that is. And we're going to open this box. Not safe. Oh, jeez. GoPro selfie stick video goggles. What does it mean? What does it do? What does it be? Whoa. What in the world? Where in the world is Carmen Sandiego? Fat Shark Revision Systems. I don't know what that means.
A note!
Hi Braille team, I'm not a skater, but I've been watching your awesome videos for a while, so I thought I'd send you something a little bit different. Here are AIRSTOC, Air Stock. We are all about drone technology in new perspectives. I'm so excited for this. It's amazing how things change when we see the world from a different point of view. I literally can't see anything. What I've sent you is the first ever third-person view skating kit. We've got a GoPro with video transmitter, video goggles, and selfie stick and some tape. Instructions on the other side. There are many ways to use it, and the best is to come up with your own. But one way is attaching the GoPro to a lamp post as high as possible and pointing it down. That way you can see the whole area that you're skating in, and you can play a game of skate with goggles on. A Jamba Juice is on us, whoever can land a kickflip in third-person view. Oh, so easy. I look over at Daniel and he's going, For anyone interested in drones, just check out www.airstoc.com. Fly safe, Andre. Airstock, www.this.com. What do you got going on there, Fetty?
Selfie.
How do I look? Oh, no.
Just getting your antenna put in. It looks like,
Look like
Whoa,
what?
there's a light going off.
Yeah.
This is the future. Wow. Daniel, first try. What in the, how do you know everything? Wow, I can sort of see a screen.
Okay,
oh my gosh! I can see Fetty. He's so disgusting.
Dude, can I try it?
God, I see myself!
Wow. I think this is the coolest thing I've ever done in my life. Oh my
So we're
God.
gonna play a game of skate?
I don't know how we're gonna do this.
oh,
I think-
so we have to wear it each turn. Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
No, go ahead and walk over here, Carlos. No, third person. You gotta
Oh,
go
like this,
Go
yeah.
behind him like GTA. There you go.
There you go.
Okay, I see it.
You got it.
Turn.
I say one person mans the camera, the other people skate, and then one person films.
I was just going off the guidance of the
wait,
camera,
wait,
like watching yourself on
Give us the
surveillance.
camera. I wish there was a way to convey how cool it looks.
That's what I mean, like can we film what I see here? Suppose we can just film with that GoPro. He's just going all over the place. I saw that piece of cardboard. Watch this. Right there. See that? You ready? Come on! That's Jamba Juice, first try. I nailed that.
I really want to try it.
It's really hard. It makes you want to throw up. So here you go.
It's recording, Aaron. Yeah, I can see the numbers at the top. It's like I'm watching The Ring.
Go ahead and kickflip.
I can't see.
First try!
Oh, this is insane! What? Dude, this is the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. All right, I'm going for it. Oh.
Great.
Why are you going upside down?
I don't know why you can't see straight.
How did you do this? What? Dude.
Yeah. Here, let's play the game of skate, then you guys can go ham. Rochambeau, boys. Dang it.
The one guy who hasn't tried
Dang
it
it.
yet.
Well, Fetty goes first. Choose your trick wisely.
I feel like if you go off muscle memory, it's kind of cheating.
What is skateboarding, period?
My shoelaces are like blowing.
Okay. I can't even see, dude.
All right, let's see what we got. Wow, I can see, yep, music video. What am I watching? Luke's YouTube channel? You got it? Wow.
It's like I'm already watching the YouTube video.
Here we go, tray flip, hard flip, double hard flip, double tray flip.
There we go. Let's put that up. Oh, I can't even. Dude, that's hard. I like thought I had it too. I saw it flip and I'm like, yeah.
Dude, how did I land it first try? Now I can't do it.
Betty, give me a high five.
I'm barely. What? Oh man, I seen myself fall down. What was it?
Okay, that's it. EA Skate 3, let's go. Wow.
Was I close?
Yeah,
Yeah.
actually, you were really close.
I just need.
Chicken Daddy again!
Dude, I cannot do this right now.
The t-shirt hoodie came off? No, I mean business. Somebody's calling rebate. Get out of here.
You ever seen that movie, RoboCop, when they like bring him into life and it's like,
Yeah.
like I'm feeling glimpses of my life flashing before my eyes right now.
That's what it's like when I wake up every morning. This guy, so smooth. I think that this is actually harder than the upside down goggles.
Where am I going?
Fetty, watch it, watch it. This is actual third person.
Wow.
Oh my. Whoa, ew!
I saw the most beautiful man I've ever seen in my entire life.
Oh! You don't seem as nauseous in this video.
I'm just kind of holding it back.
Oh, you still feel nauseous?
Yeah, oh yeah.
He's stuck in the VR world.
Oh!
That's scary.
It literally started bleeping out and I thought I ran into something.
What are you doing? Aaron, stop. Aaron, stop.
Wow, I was really close to that wall. Did an ollie flip. Rebate? Felt a little toe drag.
Wow.
Dude.
Whoa!
Did I flip?
Wow, thanks. I landed the best trick I ever landed in my entire life and they both landed. You guys are real good friends. I literally couldn't see anything.
Whoa!
There's the wall.
I give up. Oh. Wow, that was
I feel
terrible.
like you're getting dizzy.
Good thing we're only playing to 8.
Yep.
This girl is on fire!
Aaron has found a new light.
I thought about doing tray reeve earlier, then I got so sick to my stomach, I threw up and then caught it back into my mouth and then ate it.
You make me sick.
I will never land that again.
Can I go one more? Just
What now? Okay, okay, fine. No big deal. We got this. You know, I don't think I've ever done a no-look double flip. Should I try a fakey varial flip? Just kidding. Feels like I'm on the board. Sounds like I'm on the board. I'm on the board. Okay, last try. Fakey, big flip.
Carlos is getting mad.
So frustrated. I gave him a chance to miss the tray revert, and people have been like, well, tray revert, it was pretty hard, he just missed it, it's okay. And then now he had to land it. What do I do, Gabe? I'm so scared. You calling rebate on that, or that good? You're gonna give it to me. He misses the 3 shove, but he gets the tray revert. Wow, what a game. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys like this. Thank you. Thank each and every one of you guys. You guys are incredible. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Click right here for all the other cool playlists that we have done, all the other stupid skates. There are ones that are even stupider than this, although this is the hardest one. I almost threw up right there. And then right here in the shop, we're trying to teach the entire world how to skateboard. And in the shop, we have all these products that help you do that, including skateboards. Thank you. Good night. When you need to see behind you, you can.